In the early part of the 20th century, the quest for vertical flight led to the birth of the helicopter. The first practical design was the VS-300, crafted by Igor Sikorsky in 1939. This machine, while simple in design, laid the foundation for future helicopters with its single main rotor and tail rotor layout. The 1950s brought a boom in helicopter design, with the Bell 47 becoming the first helicopter certified for civilian use. Recognizable by its bubble canopy, it was a major step forward in making helicopter flight accessible to the masses. The subsequent decades saw the rise of military helicopters, such as the UH-1 Huey, which became an icon during the Vietnam War. This helicopter, with its increased carrying capacity and durability, demonstrated the potential of helicopters in combat and rescue operations, forever changing the landscape of warfare. The turn of the century ushered in a new era of design, focusing on speed and maneuverability. The Eurocopter X3, with its unconventional design featuring two propellers on short-span wings, set the world speed record for helicopters in 2013, reaching speeds of 292 miles per hour. In the present day, the quest for more sustainable and efficient designs has led to the development of electric helicopters. The Volocopter, a pioneer in this field, is an emission-free air taxi that can fit 2 passengers and aims to revolutionize urban air mobility. As we look towards the future, the helicopter industry continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Concepts like the Bell FCX-001, with its morphing rotor blades and augmented reality cockpit, point to a future where helicopters are even more integrated into our daily lives. To summarize, the evolution of helicopter design has been a journey of constant innovation and improvement. From the simplicity of the VS-300 to the speed of the Eurocopter X3 and the sustainability of the Volocopter, each design has contributed to the way we perceive and utilize vertical flight. The future promises even more advancements, with designs focusing on sustainability, speed, and integration into urban environments. So, the next time you see a helicopter whirring above, remember the incredible journey of evolution it represents. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a story of constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the quest for vertical flight. Thank you for joining this journey through the skies, exploring the marvels of helicopter design.